Hello and welcome. Today I am going to show you a requested video tutorial. So I have shown you how to make chocolate syrup, chocolate sauce. Today I'm going to make white chocolate sauce. Now, why would you want to make your own white chocolate sauce? First, because if you have to buy a commercially available white chocolate sauce, you have to buy a really large bottle. And I don't know how I'm going to finish all this because I switched from white chocolate to dark chocolate. Now, what exactly is white chocolate? Is it chocolate at all? In reality, white chocolate is a cousin of dark chocolate or the real chocolate. It is made from cocoa butter, not cocoa solids, but it is also delicious and it's a treat. So why not make your own white chocolate sauce, which will be perfect for coffee drinks, even milk tea, and toppings for your brownie or any desserts of your choice. In future videos, I'm going to show you how to make desserts using or drinks using white chocolate sauce. Come and have a look at the ingredients. White chocolate chips, I'm using 2 cups. Fresh milk, 1 cup. 30 grams of butter. A dash of salt. And a few drops of vanilla flavor. Turn on the heat. Pour the fresh milk into the saucepan and bring to a simmer. Once the milk is warm enough, you can see it boiling on the sides. Add the other ingredients. We'll start by adding our chocolate. 1 cup in. Make sure you stir it in and then pour the other cup in. All we're really wanting to do here is to dissolve our chocolate. Now I'm going to add about 30 grams of butter. Keep stirring the mixture until you're sure that the chocolate is fully dissolved. Watch the sides. You don't want burnt white chocolate. Another method to make your white chocolate is to use a bowl in a bowl. That means double boiler. So you can put your chocolate here and put a pot full of water. Bring that water to a boil and then you can melt your chocolate right on top. So that is for sure you won't burn your chocolate. Now our chocolate is fully dissolved and is looking white and very, very thick. I am going to add my vanilla flavor just to make sure it smells gorgeous. Vanilla makes everything smell and taste better. And also at this point I am going to add a little bit of my salt. So a dash of salt, doesn't have to be so much, it's just to enhance the flavor. And then give it one final stir and your white chocolate is done. Looking so good. I have a mason jar here and I'm going to transfer my white chocolate sauce into it, or you can put it in a squeezy bottle for easy application in the future. You can make use of this white chocolate sauce for hot chocolate during the Christmas season. There you go. Homemade white chocolate sauce. Well, there you have it. Very simple recipe to make your white chocolate sauce at home. Now you don't need to buy a large bottle because it will take a long time to finish. But during the holiday seasons, I'm sure it can be finished very quickly. And so here comes the moment of truth. We are going to compare the commercially available white chocolate sauce versus our homemade white chocolate sauce. Now this is an exciting part. So I'm going to just pump a little bit of the white chocolate sauce into my bowl. So this is the chocolate sauce from Da Vinci, and in terms of texture, that's how it looks. And now the texture of our homemade chocolate sauce is definitely thicker, okay? And in terms of color, very similar. The commercial Da Vinci white chocolate sauce seems to be lighter than what we have here. And of course, this will not be a Chao video tutorial unless we do a taste test. This is Da Vinci chocolate sauce. Delicious, delicious. Sweet for sure. Okay, now let's try my homemade white chocolate sauce. I'm just going to use the one in the pan. Wow, that is a knockout. It's like having a yema. It's so delicious. Now, what's my verdict? Which one is better? Well, to be honest, the taste is very similar for some reason. They're very, very similar. The only difference is that I feel that the taste of the Da Vinci chocolate sauce is a little bit more extra in it. Some other maybe flavors in it. Whereas what I have is just the taste of the white chocolate and a little bit of the vanilla. Both equally good, but I will let you be the judge of it. It's time to make an application of our freshly made white chocolate sauce. Now, I still have about probably 1 ounce of white chocolate sauce in the saucepan. So I'm going to make hot white chocolate. So all I need now is to add 1 cup of fresh milk. There you go. Put about 1 cup of fresh milk into my saucepan with the white chocolate sauce, and then warm the milk. So you can also make hot chocolate using a regular saucepan. So this is another way of making your hot chocolate. If you don't have an espresso machine or even a microwave, you just put your chocolate sauce and the fresh milk in a saucepan and bring it to a boil, stirring it occasionally. This is how it's done during the Christmas season, during the cold season. When it's starting to boil, turn off the heat. Pour it into your favorite cup. Should I try it? It's really boiling hot. I'm not going to risk being scolded by this, but it smells gorgeous, smells really delicious. Wow, what could be better than hot chocolate? I tell you, it is hot white chocolate. There you have it. Easy enough to make. You know exactly what to do with it. It is perfect also with brownie. Imagine the dark chocolate on the brownie and then you sprinkle it with white chocolate sauce. That just looks glorious and it will taste divine. That's all I want to share with you. If you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, make sure you click that subscribe button. Also, like and share the love. In the meantime, stay safe, stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.